Okay, ma'am. So, very good evening to my respected teachers, my seniors, my fellow batchmates. I, Kiran Rajwar, from Department of Chemistry, UG SEM 1, is presenting on the topic of bioactivity through computation. And my chosen compounds are alpha-pinene and serine. So, let's start our presentation. So here's the list of things we are going to cover in this PPT. First of all, we will see its introduction, and then we will go to its objective, followed by methodology, main findings, conclusion, and reference. So, before going ahead, we should understand what is bioactivity. So, bioactivity refers to the ability of a compound to interact with biological systems such as cell, tissue, organisms, leading to a specific biological effect. This effect can range from a therapeutic effect such as treating disease or disorder to a toxic effect such as harming cells or organisms. So let's come back to our compound that I've chosen. First of all, we'll see about serine. Serine is a lethal nerve agent that disrupts the nervous system by inhibiting acetylcholine esterase. This is odorless and colorless. Uses of serine. It is used as pesticide and it is used for chemical warfare also. Now, alpha-pinene. It is an organic compound of terpene class that it is found in the oil of in oil. It is generally found in essential oils in trees of coniferous tree in coniferous trees as well as in fruit or plants in fruits like sugar apple and uses of alpha-pinene. Ma'am, am I audible? Hello? Hello? Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, was I audible at that point of time? Means from the starting or from the used in flavoring and fragrance. It is also used in acne-prone skin. It because of its anti-inflammatory as well as antibacterial property. It is also used in UVB induced photo aging skin. Actually it means when a person is too much too much in UV rays means जो बहुत ज्यादा यूवी रेज में रहते हैं काम करते हैं उनका स्किन बहुत जल्दी ही एज करने स्टार्ट हो जाता है और रिंकल्स होते हैं इन इसको प्रिवेंट करने के लिए अल्फा पिनिन का इस्तेमाल हो सकता है and our objective of the project we have used chemdro and pass online to take out the bioactivity of serine and alpha pinene. We have done literature survey of this compound and explained them in this project. Now, am I audible? We found the following useful bioactivities of the compound alpha-penine: anti-inflammatory, anti-seborrheic, anti-cancer, anti-acne, hypolipidemic. And our second compound is serine. So its first bioactivity is acetylcholine esterase, butyrylcholine esterase, bioscavenger, antioxidative, and metabolism. So methodology. Our first step will be to draw our structure in ChemDraw and then save them as MDL mol file. And then our second step will be to register ourselves in way to drug. And then this page will come, this page which I have zoomed, and then You can go for here, go for prediction as I have marked, and then uh, after registering yourself, uh, uh, click in the next page, predict new compound, and then in the fourth step, you can either choose a mole file or Marvin J's. Now, in next step, you have to insert your file in. As I have chosen Marvin JS, so I have inserted my file in Marvin JS, and then I'll click for predict. Then this is the result. So we'll follow this similar step for taking out the bioactivity of other compound. So now comes the main part. The main finding of alpha pinene, 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 anti-inflammatory. Inflammation is immune reaction that provide defense to human body against damage or infection. Inappropriate immune response in body often lead to inflammatory disease. Alpha-pinene exhibits anti-inflammatory activity through the suppression of mitogen-activated protein kinases MAPKs and nuclear factor Kp, nuclear factor kappa B, uh, also known as NS kappa B. So what happened here? As we know, MAPKs and NF kappa B are key signaling pathways involved in regulation of inflammatory response. So if so suppression of these pathways lead to decrease in inflammation. Now, anti-acne. Alpha, alpha, alpha-pennin and myrcene are monoterpenes. Is the main component of frankincense essential oil. It is considered best for acne-prone skin because it contains anti-inflammatory as well as antibacterial properties. It is responsible for recovery of UVB-induced photoaging problems. Um, and this oil also improves facial tone by diminishing the pore size. It also helps to stimulate regeneration of cells and aids in the nourishment of dry and flaky skin. So, we can easily understand that it is best for skin problems like acne. It helps in UV induced photoaging skin, as I've told you what is UV induced photoaging. So I'm not explaining it again. And it also helps in facial. It also helps to improve facial tone by diminishing pore size and regeneration of cell and nourishing of dry and flaky skin. Anti-seborrheic, seborrheic dermatitis. Seborrheic dermatitis is a common dermatologically disorder with symptoms that include skin flaking, erytheum, pruritus. The skin changes are thought to result from inflammatory response to a common skin organism, Malassezia yeast. Treatment with antifungal agents like alpha-pinene is the mainstay of therapy for SD of the face and body. So, SD is a common skin condition, as you can see. It causes redness. Erytheum means redness, and pruritus means itching, and flaking of skin. This condition are generally observed on areas of the skin rich in oil glands such as scalp, face, and upper chest. This generally happens due to growth of a yeast called Malassezia yeast, and you in our last time you can see alpha purine is used treat uh, treat this SD on face and body. So now the next is anti-cancer. Ma'am, hello, hello, hello. Okay, okay. Anti-cancer. Recent investigation about finding the anti-cancer activity of the alpha-pinene extracted from the leaves of Boswellia delzea. It's a tree found in South Africa. Over the PA cancer cell of the human ovary, alpha-pinene may exert anti-cancer effects in PA cell by promoting cytotoxicity suppression of cell sequence progression along with programmed cell death. So, uh, it's clear that let me explain. In recent investigation, uh, alpha penine that was extracted from this tree Boswellia delzea. It was found that it was found the no, let me start. Alpha penine that was extracted from the tree of Boswellia delzea. It was found the alpha penine that was extracted was found to have some anti-cancer activity, and this alpha and alpha penine exerts this anti-cancer effects by suppression of cell sequence progression along with programmed cell death. This means slowing down of process slowing down of orderly sequence event of cell cycle along with programmed cell death. That means apoto- that means apoptosis, which is basically self destruction of cell in controlled manner, and this kills this PA cancer cell. Hypolipidemic. Alpha penine is a miracle gift of nature for inflammatory effect. Uh, that leads to investigate about hypolipidemia. This investigation on alloxan induced diabetes experimental model shows that alpha penine and glibencilamide decreased uh, blood glucose and the total cholesterol and triglyceride level. Its anti-inflammatory properties are probably an asset for the treatment of diabetes and its complications. And this is yet not verified to use. It's used to treat diabetes. There are just investigation that going on, and this as I've read, this investigation shows that 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 alpha penine and glibencilamide when induced in this alloxan induced diabetes rat, then is in uh, blood glucose, total cholesterol, and glyceride level. Main finding main finding of serine acetylcholine esterase. Acetylcholine esterase is an enzyme that breaks down acetylcholine into choline and acetate in the synaptic cleft. This enzyme is present in central and peripheral nervous system. Serine forms a bonding with acetylcholine esterase and completely changing its physical characteristics and making the enzyme non-functional acetylcholine esterase. Thus, the acetylcholine is never removed, and due to which body contracts. Let me explain this. It's very complicated. So here, acetylcholine is a neurotransmitter, and acetylcholine esterase is an enzyme. So this enzyme is present. Acetylcholine esterase is an enzyme. This enzyme are present in central, peripheral nervous system. Now, uh, whenever our body contracts, this neurotransmitter acetylcholine floods in synaptic cleft, and when our body flexes, this acetylcholine breaks down acetylcholine into choline and acetate. Now, this and when serine is intact in our body, then serine uh, forms a bond with this enzyme, making it non-functional and high function, and which leads to death. which leads to a person death if it is taken in high concentration, or if it would have been taken at low concentration, then it will lead to hypothermia and blah blah many things. Butyl cholinesterase. This enzyme plays a role in the protection of humans from the toxicity of serine. Once inside the body, BSHE, as written in short form of butyl cholinesterase, act as a scavenger of organophosphates such as serine and rapidly hydrolyzes it to less toxic metabolite. This enzyme has a variant called atypical this butyrylcholinesterase that has diminished capacity of hydrolyzed substrate such as this serine. Actually, there's no cure or no prevention or no treatment of a person who takes serine. But this is the according to my little bit in investigation, butyrylcholinesterase is the only way to decrease the toxicity of serine. This and as decrease the toxicity of serine, this butyrylcholinesterase hydrolyzes with serine to form a less metabolite. And last, although serine is extremely toxic, it is short-lived inside the body. Once serine enters the body, it quickly metabolized and excreted. The primary metabolite is a pharmacologically inactive hydrolysis product, isopropyl methyl phosphonic acid. And this metabolite is rapidly excreted primarily through the urine. In this rat experiment, the serine was injected. In rat, this serine was injected, and after 4 hours and 24 minutes, this was excreted out as metabolite, and after 2 days, this metabolite was undetectable in the urine. Um, alpha Alpha-pinene is an monoterpene mostly found in essential oils. It has numerous properties like anti-inflammatory, flare, fragrance, anti-pruritus, treatment of diabetic. Recently, recently, recently anti-cancer properties was also found. Hello. Uh, uh, and the second point is serine is a lethal nerve agent. It is used in chemical warfare. Scientists were investigating to use serine as a three scientists are investigating to find a treatment for serine. So at last, I want to conclude that how science is dangerous and how dangerous it is, because um, serine was produced, means made to uh, to uh, to uh, to grow the yield to grow the yield of these crops. But at last it was used to kill humans. So if the science is not used properly, then it is very harmful to us. And these are the references I used. And thank you all for listening.